Harper, tell everybody where we're doing art from today.
Our house.
This is not our house.
I mean, our tree house.
This is our tree house. So find a nice cozy place for you to do some artwork and let's get started.
I want to do this one.
So we're going to be drawing a charming little bear. We're going to do it step by step. We're going to start, as we always do, with super light pencil lines. And then I'm going to just get you to go over those. We're going to do it with Sharpie, and then you can just color it however you want to do it. These are not supposed to look real. They're just supposed to be fun. So you should have fun, don't you think? Fun should be had by all, wouldn't you say? All right, so we're gonna go step by step. I'm gonna record this with my old visualizer like I do in class, and we'll see what happens.